Hi, so now that I think we've got this mostly rewritten and assigned, I wanted to do a quick recording of just how the rhythm should go, because it's a little hard to split up Dr. Seuss into lines like this and record your one line and have it fit in with the rest. So I figured I would just read the whole thing, and if that helps anyone, awesome. Congratulations, today is your day. Not quite how we planned it, but it turned out okay. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer your ship cross any ocean you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the one who'll decide where to go. You'll look up and down streets, look 'em over with care. About some you will say, I don't choose to go there. With your hands sanitized and a mask on your face, you'll know when you've found yourself in a safe place. And you may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. It's opener there in the wide open air. There's more math to do and more room for error, but with calc skills and geo, forge on without terror. And when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew. Remember what you just heard from Miss Depew. Oh, the places you'll go. You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to great heights. If you lag behind, we can help if you need. The flower won't bloom lest you watered the seed. Whatever the format, you can pass the test. You can be proud knowing you've done your best. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. Reality's out there, you'll have to face it. Climate change, racism, work to erase it. It's not always easy out there on your own, when friends become distant, when you're far from home. You can sit on your own and lean into the sad. Don't bypass emotions when you're feeling bad. And when you're in a slump, remember good times, or open this file and read over these rhymes. You may feel life's a maze with no easy way out. Pound your fists on the wall, then holler and shout. The more that you panic, the more you feel lost. Flowers once blossoming covered with frost. Can you ever escape? What is the cost? And if you take risks, then what if they fail? Will you have to return to the start of the trail? Should you have left breadcrumbs to find your way back? It's hard to get out there once these questions attack. If only you still had your trusty backpack. You can get so frustrated that you'll start to doubt that you'll ever get everything all figured out, and grind on for miles cross weirdish wild space, headed, I know, to a challenging place, the adulting place, for people all adulting. Mortgages and student loans, interest rates and buying homes, doctor's appointments and saving receipts, being more mindful about what you eat, from getting a job to starting a career, although right now it may not seem near, and you're just waiting. Waiting to achieve your dream, or waiting to hear if you've made the team, or waiting for the sunshine to beam, or waiting perhaps for a long-delayed grade, a reply to a snap, or a good Seahawks trade, or a brand new car with the freshest slicks, or the West Seattle Bridge to get fixed. Everyone is just waiting. No, that's not for you. Somehow you'll escape all that waiting and staying. You'll find the bright spots where the jazz band is playing. With West Side pride shining, once more you'll ride high. Ready forever this world dishes out. Ready because you can defeat your doubt. Oh, the places you'll go. There is fun to be done. There are novels to write and 10Ks to run. And the magical things you can do with your mind can lead you to the success you wish to find. Joy! You'll be as happy can be when things come together so easily. Except when they don't, because sometimes they won't. I'm afraid that sometimes the answers won't be clear. No matter how hard you think, they won't appear. Don't despair. With that big brain you've got, critical thinking will help you a lot. And if you can't solve it, you're never alone. A friend's never far when you pick up your phone. A phone call or FaceTime can turn things around, or use Zoom and spice it up with a background. Then on you will go through the sun and the rain. On you will go through the joy and the pain. On feet or on crutches, a wheelchair or cane. Onward up many an uphill incline, though your body may groan and you've missed every sign. On and on you will hike, and I know you'll hike far, and get past the roadblocks, whatever they are. You'll get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. So be sure when you step with care and great tact, and remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left. And will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98 3/4% guaranteed. Wildcats move mountains. So, be you a mathlete or gamer or jock, or you've played in 6 tribute bands at School of Rock, you're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way. End scene.